confident immediately to go fast. If I would like to go, it's really kind of a car which asks you, please go faster. It is because the confidence is so high. I can feel wheels in my fingers. So nice neutral behavior, and it's like a car what I like to have. It's easier. Generally it is much easier and more comfortable car to drive. You cannot do any mistakes with this car. They have done incredible good work, always going step forward, and this is very nice to see from previous model to up to 2015.